How to upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels. So if you want to upload landscape videos on your Instagram Reels, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, make sure to log into your account and go with the plus option, which is on the bottom middle, and tap on Reel section. And under your Reels, now you just need to simply go and select a landscape video that you would like to post. So you don't need to have do anything. You just need to simply select your landscape video, and after that you can go with edit video, which is on the bottom left, and then edit your video, add some effects or anything like that, music and everything, and then tap on next again, which is on the bottom right. Now tap on continue again and add some captions, tag people or add location to it and everything, and then tap on next again, which is on the bottom right, and tap on share, and just wait for a few seconds till it's posted. And after that, go with your profile and go with the post, and you can see that it has been uploaded in a landscape mode. So that's it. That's how you can upload landscape videos on your Instagram Reels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.